Bunny Squad, in today's video, I'll be sharing about the Chinese New Year celebration, also known as the Spring Festival. This year, we will celebrate the Year of the Dragon. Have you ever wondered, why the dragon? There are a total of 12 zodiac animals. Each year in the Chinese zodiac is associated with an animal. The order of the animal is mouse, 鼠, cow or ox, 牛, tiger, 虎, rabbit, 兔, dragon, 龙, snake, 蛇, horse, 马, goat, 羊, monkey, 猴, rooster, 鸡, dog, 狗, and lastly, the pig, 猪. Let me give you an example. 2013 was the year of the snake per lunar calendar, followed by horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, pig, rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, and dragon. Then the cycle continues with snake and so forth. Therefore, we are celebrating the Year of Dragon. When is the 2024 Chinese New Year? The first day of the lunar calendar is fall on 10th February 2024. During the days leading up to the Chinese New Year, it is customary for those celebrating to clean their homes and to sweep away bad luck and make way for the good fortune. This is also known as 大扫除. Some people do deep cleaning on furniture, repaint the walls, remove some old clothes, organize and donate some old clothes, hire a professional to clean the windows, and so forth. After cleaning, the house is decorated to create a welcoming atmosphere for visitors. 布置. Usually, the house will fill with red decorations. Red signifies good fortune, luck, vitality, and prosperity. The decoration is usually themed with the year of the zodiac, which this year is the year of the dragon. We can also decorate with Apparels, a red envelope. Not to forget 梅花. During the Chinese New Year, plum blossoms are decorated everywhere. It is common for Chinese people to buy new clothes before the Chinese New Year. Wearing new clothes symbolizes a fresh start and is often red or gold in color. The day we all look forward to is the reunion dinner, 团圆饭, which takes place on Chinese New Year's Eve. Family members of different generations sit around big round table, enjoying food and spending time together. These are the food that my mom used to cook during the reunion dinner for 30 people. But now we just opt to eat out. Oh, this picture looks so yummy. I'm so hungry right now. One popular dish during the Chinese New Year is lo sang, also known as the prosperity toss. This dish serves as an appetizer and symbolizes good luck for the year. As you add sauces and crackers to the dish, you say auspicious wishes. 恭喜发财，心想事成，步步高升，招财进宝，身体健康，万事如意. The higher you toss, the higher the fortune will be reflected. On the first day, everyone will dress up in their new clothes and pay respect to the older people. Typically, you will visit your father's side of the family. If you're unmarried, you will receive a red envelope from a married couple. It's also known as 红包. Remember, you should not sweep or clean on this day, as it is believed to sweep away your luck and fortune. Did you know that back in the day, people used fireworks to scare away evil spirits? But now, fireworks are all about creating a fun and happening atmosphere. During the 15 days of Chinese New Year, you will hear big bangs and crackers all over the neighborhood. You're likely going to have a very hard time falling asleep early. On the second day of the Chinese New Year, you would visit your mother's side of the family if they are in the same town as your father's side. If not, people usually visit relatives in the same town before returning to where they live. There will be lots of visiting throughout Chinese New Year. On the 8th day of the Chinese New Year is the Nine Emperor God Festival, typically celebrated by the Hokkien clan. My family doesn't participate in the festivities since we're not Hokkien. However, living among the Hokkien, we witness the grand celebration with numerous prayers and fascinating rituals. After midnight, the sky is lit up with fireworks, much more like the 4th of July. Lion Dance. The lion dance is a significant cultural symbol in Chinese tradition. It represents the courage, strength, and good fortune. The performance is believed to drive away evil spirits and bring prosperity to the community. It is also a form of entertainment enjoyed by people all over the world. The last day of the Chinese New Year is also known as Chap Goh Meh, or the 15th day. It is also celebrated as the Chinese Valentine's Day. On this day, single women used to write their names and contact information on oranges and then throw them into the river in the hope that someone would find the orange and contact them. And as you can see in this event, kind of try to simulate back in the past, and this man, they were trying to pick up oranges. Do you think this man will contact any girls who wrote the number on the oranges? This is the end of my video. I would like to thank you for watching to the end. Wishing you and your family a happy Chinese New Year. Bye!